So picture this. You're standing like right on the edge of the world, you know?
Oh, wow.
Just like icy winds whipping all around you.
Yeah.
There's this vast expanse of the Southern Ocean stretching out as far as you can see.
Yeah.
It's like stark beauty, but extreme challenge, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But in this totally unforgiving environment, life not only survives, it thrives.
It's true.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah. Penguins.
Penguins.
Amazing.
So we're going deep today into this penguin world,
Let's do it.
basing it all on this incredible footage from a wildlife expert who went to Antarctica, like first-hand observations.
Wow.
Let's dive in.
Amazing.
So how can a bird that can't fly conquer like one of the most challenging environments on Earth?
Right.
You see them in the water, they are so agile. It's incredible.
It's amazing. Yeah, they're a perfect example of that evolutionary trade-off we talk about.
Right.
You know, they swapped flight for this like unparalleled swimming and diving skill set.
Yeah.
Those wings you see, those have transformed over, millennia into powerful flippers. And they're perfectly designed to just propel them through the water.
Yeah.
Like incredible speed and agility. Take the Gen 2 penguins.
Okay.
They've been clocked at swimming at 22 miles an hour.
That is serious need for speed.
It is.
All that energy expenditure in freezing water.
Yeah.
How do they stay warm?
Yeah, that's where their specialized plumage comes in,
Right.
Their feathers are short, they're stiff and densely packed.
Okay.
And so what they do is they trap a layer of air close to their skin for insulation.
So like a natural down jacket.
Exactly, like a natural down jacket. And then on top of that, they've got this preen gland that secretes oil and that allows them to meticulously waterproof their feathers.
Wow.
And you can see in the footage, like the water just beads right off of them.
It's amazing.
It's incredible.
Each adaptation, builds on the last one.
Total.
You mentioned dense feathers. Are all the feathers the same?
That is a great question.
Yeah.
So they actually have two main types of feathers,
Okay.
They have those outer contour feathers, and those provide waterproofing and streamlining.
We see that in the video.
Exactly. We see it. And then they have the downy under feathers.
Okay.
And those offer just like incredible insulation.
So it's a two-pronged defense against the cold.
Exactly.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Speed, warmth, check. But all that swimming takes energy.
Sure does.
What are these underwater athletes fueling themselves with?
Well, they're opportunistic feeders,
Yep.
And their diet, it really varies depending on the species and, their hunting grounds.
Makes sense.
So smaller penguins, like the chin straps we see in the video,
Yeah.
they often stick to krill and squid,
Right.
which are abundant in the upper layers of the ocean. But the larger species, like the king penguins,
Right.
they dive much deeper for their meals.
The footage of those dives is just incredible.
It is.
It's mind-boggling to think they can hold their breath for so long
Right.
and withstand that pressure.
Oh, yeah. The pressure at those depths is insane. And, they've been recorded, king penguins diving to depths of over 300 meters,
Yeah.
holding their breath for an astonishing 20 minutes.
It's amazing what their bodies can withstand.
It really is. They have, a number of physiological adaptations that allow them to conserve oxygen and cope with the pressure. It's incredible.
And what are these deep-diving penguins hunting for at those depths?
Primarily fish, and in particular lanternfish.
Lanternfish.
And these are bioluminescent fish,
Oh, wow.
which may actually help the penguins locate them down in those dark depths.
That's fascinating.
It's pretty cool.
So we've got all these different species, different hunting strategies, different prey.
Yeah.
It's like a perfect example of evolution tailoring each species to a specific niche
Precise.
within this ecosystem.
Exactly. Their physical adaptations reflect their hunting styles, too.
Right.
Those sharp beaks we see, they're perfect for grabbing those slippery fish, and then their powerful jaws can crush the shells of krill. And then they even have these backward-facing barbs in their mouths, almost like bristles, to ensure that their prey doesn't slip away.
It's like they have thought of everything.
They have. It's amazing.
Talk about maximizing efficiency.
Totally.
But all these incredible adaptations, all these survival mechanisms,
Yeah,
they point to something bigger, don't they?
I think so.
This incredible resilience, this ability to not just survive, but thrive in like one of the harshest environments on Earth.
Yeah.
It's inspiring.
Penguins are a testament to the power of evolution
Yeah.
and a symbol of resilience, in the face of environmental challenges.
It's true.
They demonstrate how life finds a way even when the odds seem stacked against it.
It really makes you wonder about the limits of adaptation.
It does.
What about their social structures?
Right.
How do these massive penguin colonies function?
Yeah,
How do they cooperate to survive in such a demanding environment?
that's a great point. And an area ripe for further exploration, you know.
Yeah.
We've only just scratched the surface of understanding these fascinating creatures.
So what we've learned today is just the tip of the iceberg.
Uh-huh.
Pardon the pen. There's so much more to discover about these remarkable birds.
There is.
And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to follow in the footsteps of our expert.
Yeah.
Experience the Antarctic wonders for yourself.
It's incredible.
Until next time.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.